Um, Hi. Here's a tutorial for all those people that were asking me how I did the tweening in my last video, like the baby dolls kill. So, the tutorial. So first, this is how I do it. You don't have to do it like this. I'm not forcing you. Oh yeah. Just follow my steps. So you're gonna do this, and then you're gonna take a screenshot. And if you were like going to make your character say something, just do that. So the trend I'm gonna be making will be like the same trend that I did. Okay, and then you're gonna take another picture. And then you're gonna go on hide. And then hide every single body part except for the hand. Hey, got it. Do it, something. Hey. And then go to not Gotcha Club again. Sorry. Go to CapCut. You need to get CapCut to do this. It's happened. Do it twice. Got a something. Okay, so then add the two pictures. I will be blurring my stuff because I'm not trying to let you guys see all my private stuff and my face. So yeah. So then you're gonna go on 9:16. Do that. I did the background for it, but this time it's fine. I don't need a background. Okay, now we need to make it longer. And then after that, get out and then go back on Gotcha Club. I don't know if there's noises in the background, so you guys tell me. I'm also gonna have to be blurring that part out because it literally show my freaking face. Ain't no way you have to do me like this. Anyways, now I'm gonna make the part where my eyes are look mean or something like that. You're gonna do this one right here, this one. And then for your eyebrows, probably this. And take another picture. And then you go back. Love with your favorite song. Give me your favorite song. I got it on in your hair now. How about the way it is? Show me your favorite ways. You gotta have a hair now. You gotta have some hair now. And then press overlay, and then add your overlay. Love about the way it is. You make your favorite song. And then go all the way until you see remove BG. Then just remove it. Here's a tip. When you're doing this, you don't have to do this, but do this. He's in the bathroom. He's in the bathroom. Okay, bye. Okay, so now you're going to do this. Like, do it until the end. Yeah, there. Oh. Yeah, something. Do it, try. It's got something. Try not to make yours like mine long. Hey, something. Do it, try. Got something. You would have got something. Okay, now you're gonna press on it and press the chroma key, and then go over here, and then go on transform it, and go on advance, and then go on rotate. Okay, so right here, gonna put it so it's on it. Okay, right here, gonna make sure it's on it. Sorry, Lolo, I'm very bad at explaining. Haha. Okay, now you're gonna wait, but let's see how that looks. Bro, actually, please try to do better than we actually, bro. This is all just a tutorial video, so this is why I'm doing it bad. Hehe. Hey, something. And also, this video will be like edited on CapCut. Yeah, just hey, something. Do it strange, got something. Just make sure yours doesn't look this bad. Like, actually, not this bad. Like, actually, really not this bad. Hey, something. Right here, gonna want to make it connect and stuff. All that other stuff. And then right here, we're gonna add a, what's it called? This graph. And you should do, let me see the one that looks the best. But what just happened? Anyways, which one is this one? Ooh! Yeah, and then add another chroma key, and then scroll to, transform. And then, yeah, do that. Hey, something. Do a strange out of something. And then just right here, just make it like that. Hey, something. Do it strange. And then, like, right here, you're going to want to go back on transform. And then make it so, like, it touches your mouth. Yeah. Sorry, just follow what I'm doing, because I'm very bad at explaining. You guys already know. Like, you guys already know. Like, yeah. Okay, so do, wait, rebound in. And then, yeah, there. Just save it. Thanks for watching. Bye.